Hello. Today's very, very hot. But there is one hot topic that we haven't discussed for a while, and that is the Facebook or Meta content monetization program. Now, as we have known, or maybe you are not aware because it's so small, as we have known, Meta is paying 0.01 for every comment, reaction that or share by your audience. So when you post something and somebody commented, you get a 0.01 if your post is legible or approved. Because not all posts or not all content can earn a 0.01. So that is what you are going to find out. Now, when it comes to earning and sharing a post, let me tell you this. If the post you shared is okay, meaning funny, or you like it, or you just shared it because you want to please the other content creator, you should take note if the post that you shared is not limited or restricted or approved. Because if the post that you shared is restricted and not approved by the Meta, then the person who is also sharing the post becomes restricted or limited. No? Simple kaayo. Share ka og post, tapos na restricted ang content, ikaw pod restricted pod ka kay ni share man ka makita siya sa imuhang content. So make sure that everything is good when you share a post. One thing that Meta does not allow is politics. So kung daghan ka politics, mga unsa paron diha about government or is simply commenting about politics, it's not allowed. Whatever it is, as long as it is politics, that's not allowed. Now, another one, because we don't want our what you call this, our content that we really go to that place and then create a video and then we don't want, in short, we just don't want this content being stolen. Stolen means somebody downloaded the post and then post it as their own. Now, because of that, many of us, also me, I put my name and number because I do post about marketing rentals, houses for sale, so I always put my name and number. So you don't have to go back and see how you can contact me. You can just directly contact me by watching my video or my post. Now, it so happened that Facebook or Meta does not want watermarks. Watermarks means like a logo or something. For example, CapCut, TikTok, that is not allowed on Facebook. So if you want to earn, do not have anything with watermarks. Now, based on my analytics, I have seen that my videos never earned. Because maybe the bot regarded my name and number as watermark or logo. So if you can see it, starting I think last month, I reposted everything. I took out the name and number if reels, but I always put the long form with my name and number. Okay ra na dili ma 0.01, but for the reels, I cut the long form into small videos so I can post it on the reels. It's really very clean. No number, no names, no anything. Because if my intention is to get the approval of Facebook or Meta, remember that if they like your content, you also get a very, very uh, far, a very, very wide distribution. So my idea, so that my content, all my content would be pushed and will have a good distribution, you should abide with the law of the social media that you are posting or participating. Now, if they don't like a logo or watermarks, yes, I abide. I reposted everything. Wa pa jud ko kahuman, but that is the reason that you may see some of the posts familiar, no? Because it was reposted again. I took out my name and number. So if you like having a wider or larger audience and a very good distribution of your content, follow their rules.